In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace product on Amazon. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to go and what to look for, keeping everything simple and stress-free. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Using the desktop site makes this especially straightforward because the options you need are easy to find on the top navigation bar. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account. That's normal. Just make sure you're on the account that placed the order you want to replace. It also helps to have a rough idea of when you bought the item, especially if you've placed many orders. Next, look to the top right of the page and click on Returns and Orders. This takes you to your order history where you can browse your recent purchases. On this page, you'll see a list of orders with thumbnails, dates, and order details. If you have a lot of orders, you can adjust the time range or use the search bar to quickly narrow things down. This page is designed to give you a clear snapshot of everything you've bought, which makes finding the right item much faster. Now, select the order you want to replace. Click into the specific order that contains the item you need to swap out. On the order details page, eligible items will display options like return or replace items or a replace button, depending on the product and your location. Not every item qualifies for a replacement. Availability can depend on the seller, the type of product, and whether it's still within the return or replacement window. If you don't see a replacement option for that item, it may mean the product isn't eligible for replacement and other solutions might apply, such as a return and refund. As you review the order details, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct item in the correct size, color, or variation. This helps avoid getting the wrong version sent out again. If you see multiple items in one order, make sure you're focusing on the exact product that needs attention. Keep an eye on any notes Amazon provides on that page. They'll indicate timeframes, condition requirements, and what to expect next. That's all there is to it. Go to Amazon.com, click Returns and Orders at the top right, and select the order you want to replace. Following these three actions guides you to the right place to handle your replacement quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take care of your Amazon replacement with ease.